this video, I'm going to show you one of the tools here on my menu of the bar surfacing. So it's going to be the create from sketch. We all know that we have regular things like box, tour, slender, and these stuff. But what about these three options here? So in this video, I'm going to just explaining how to create from sketch. I'm going to go to front plan and make a sketch. Let's say just a regular sketch, something like this, and give a chamfer, something like that, and like an arc here, and something like this, and another chamfer. And let's insert a circle here. Okay, so let's insert a fillet here, and maybe here also. Right, now go to bar surfacing and go to create from sketch. Now as you've seen here, it just created automatically my sketch, and it's by default creating it solid. So as you see in the menu here, I have a quiet size scale, I have solid thickness scale, so I can just control how much scale I need for the thickness, and the crease corners. So if I have a creased corner here, it's going to be creased or non-creased, and of course I have a mid plane, so it's gonna extrude from the mid plane like this. What I'm gonna do now is just uncheck the mid plane and create a solid, because I don't need it as a solid, and I'm going to apply it by default like this. I'm just gonna crease the corners like that. Okay, now if I just go to the sub-D mode, you can see my circle isn't that accurate. So I have option here to do it manually. If I just doing the part like a shape, or just a regular shape, not gonna use it for mechanic or something, or the second option, and it's going to import reference and use the circle as a reference, and we just ruin the circle a little to let you see the difference. So you can use the import reference, select your circle, and press to edge. So now it's just gonna constrain it exactly on a circle. All right, and from here you can easily control your part as it's just made by bar surfacing. Now I'm just going to hard edge this and bevel outside. Maybe go to box mode, give it a little bit chamfer like that, bevel again, maybe extrude like this, and here we go. Here also you can extrude or extrude cut inside, something like this, and I can fill this or use it as a thickness. So if I just created this hard crease here, go to the sub-D mode, you can see everything looks great. You can also crease this a little to give it a little sharp edge, and we can add an edge here, control how much I need here. So something like this. Okay, and if you just convert it, you can see your part looks great, and we just did a good job. It was create from sketch. Let me just give it a color or something. Go to use effects. So as you see, everything looks great here, and we have also an option to close it or use thickness to it. So I can go back, edit the future, thickness. I'm gonna thickness inside, maybe 2 millimeters, 0.7. Okay, and convert. Okay, so you have your solid body now as a shielded port. Okay, and the other solution is close this to make a solid. So let me show you how I can do this. At first, I'm going to hard edge this circle and bevel it, and easily select 3 edges from here and 3 edges from here, and make a bridge. Make this weight maybe 3 to be flat, and add more edges. Okay, and to the other side, 3 edges with 3 edges in the same process. And from here, 2 edges. And let me just use quad fill. Okay, so I just close it my bottom, and I'm gonna crease this bottom edges. Alright, now let me just convert it, and here is my solid body. Okay, of course I can use the tools of the bar surfacing now. I can even reinsert a circle here. Maybe if this circle is gonna be 61, and I can extrude the cut to make sure if it's just fully accurate circle. Okay, and for the other stuff here, I can sketch and use like, we just make some kind of shape, cut it here, and go to cut extrude through all both. Okay, so that's how you use extrude from sketch, and I hope you'll learn something, and thanks for watching.